I want to tell the resilient men and women in Palestine that you are not alone. Maybe the superpowers of the world have neglected you. You don't have water, you don't have electricity, you don't have safety. But Allah is with you. Allah has a witness. And I want to remind the world of the story of the Prophet Moses. When he was escaping with his people, the children of Israel, they hit a dead end, and that was the Red Sea. The children of Israel were extremely frightened for the right reasons. Pharaoh at the time resembled the greatest superpower, the greatest army. And he was coming with all of his might and power to annihilate Moses and his people. History tells us that the ground was shaking underneath them while Pharaoh and his troops were approaching. So they went to Moses, peace be upon him. And they said to him, Moses, are you not afraid? We're all scared. What's going to happen to us? And Moses smiled. And he said, I am not afraid, for Allah is with me. Allah has a witness to us. Moments later, Allah saved Moses and his people. And there was imminent destruction that befell the oppressor Pharaoh. However, God saved his body so that he becomes an example for all the pharaohs until the end of time.